Hi, I'm Amy and welcome to my home. This is where I live with my 2 children. When we first moved in here, there was just a gas boiler which was in the kitchen, and that did our central heating, and it had a separate hot water cylinder which was upstairs in the airing cupboard. It worked, but it was noisy and it got the radiators extremely hot. It was always a concern with having the 2 young children. I found myself putting things in front of the radiators so they couldn't go near them. Hot water was very important, and we all have to be showered and out of the house by 9 o'clock, so it was a big issue. We had to have enough hot water to supply all of us. We sort of wanted to have a look at changing the system for some while, but there's not been an option on the market for gas properties as much as perhaps an oil property. So when the hybrid came onto the market, I felt that it was an option for us. There's the lower running costs anyway, and then with the government's RHI coming in for the 7-year payment, I think there would definitely be a big financial benefit for us as well. Since I haven't had the system putting in, I've not been worrying about the extremely hot radiators. It's been a lovely constant heat. The house has been nice and warm, not too over hot, but also not cold at any time. Hot water, plentiful, and a really nice temperature. The reason that I wanted to go for the hybrid system, I'd recently had a bill and my energy company had put up the costs, and so I was worried about the rising fuel costs ongoing, and I really wanted to do something on a green aspect as well. I thought it would be a great avenue to explore, as my house is 3 bedrooms and it seemed a perfect option for my house. As a parent of young children, we're always looking to ways to reduce our living costs, and the hybrid system seemed a perfect option for us to safeguard us against future fuel price increases. So the hybrid system was installed a week ago. It took 3 days, and the whole experience was fantastic actually. They moved my boiler from the kitchen to an upstairs cupboard, so there was a little bit of upheaval, but in general it was a really good experience. Minimal hassle, minimal mess. Since we've had it in, even in this last week, it's been a notable difference. The radiators haven't been getting as hot, but yet we've been lovely and warm. The hot water has been adequate and plentiful, so no, we're really, really pleased. What I really like about the hybrid system is that it's 2 systems in one. So you've got the heat pump part of it working on the warmer days, and then I've got the reassurance that when it's really, really cold outside, the gas boiler element comes in and works and keeps us warm. Best of all, I can put in my energy tariffs, and the hybrid will select which is the most cost-efficient mode, and it will automatically switch between running on either gas or the heat pump, or sometimes both together. So it's always choosing the most cheapest option for me. Anyone wishing to change their system is definitely a good option. With rising energy costs, it's a fantastic way to look at sort of saving some money, and it's going to reduce our carbon emissions.
If you're spending more than £50 a month on your gas or LPG energy bill, then we would like to offer you a free home heating assessment. Please click the button below to get started.